Welcome to another GadgBoy lift tour. In this episode, I visit the county town of Hampshire, Winchester. First we start at the train station, which has Stanner station lifts.
Lift going up. Doors closing. Doors opening. Footbridge. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
On our way to the city centre and into Debenhams. The lift here is an Otis 2000 lift, which has already been modernised by Conne. Now I cross to the shop directly opposite Debenhams, M&S. The lift in here is an old lift which has been modernised with Leicester controls.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors open.
Next I go to the small Stanner lift, modernised by Stanner, which both Waterstones and TK Maxx share at the Brooks shopping centre. Sadly this lift was not working, so on to the next lift, which is in Primark. It is a Conne monospace. The floor numbering in this store is slightly unusual. The floor numbering from bottom floor to top floor is lower ground, which is at the same level as the lower shopping level in the shopping centre, mezzanine for street level with no access to the shopping centre, and upper ground, which is at the same level as the upper shopping level in the shopping centre. Finally, we now go to the glass hydraulic generic lifts in the Brooks shopping centre itself. We take a ride in the Wrights lift. These lifts serve all shopping centre floors, which are upper shopping, lower shopping, upper parking and lower parking.
Going down.
sounds awful.
Going up. Floor closed.
That's 37275. Other way, I'm going this way is 6:30, 67. 8 to Canfield, Lift Road, shops on the hard interchange, and that's HMS 7. In Winchester, and as you can see, they're kind of surrounded by scaffolding.